Paris. Paris, the capital city of France, is a city steeped in history, culture, and romance. Its iconic landmarks, world-class museum, and vibrant atmosphere have captivated visitors for centuries. Paris offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. The history of Paris dates back to the Roman era when it was known as Lutetia. Over the centuries, it grew into a powerful city-state and eventually became the capital of France. The Middle Ages saw the construction of magnificent Gothic such as Notre Dame and Louvre Museum. The 18th century was a golden age for Paris, with the city becoming a center of enlightenment, thought, and fashion. The French Revolution dramatically reshaped the city, leading to the rise of Napoleon. Must-see attraction of Paris: Louvre Museum and Notre Dame. Louvre Museum, one of the world's largest and most prestigious museum housing masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. Book attractions in advance. Popular attractions like the Louvre Museum and Eiffel Tower can get crowded, so booking tickets in advance is recommended. Eiffel Tower, the iconic symbol of the Paris. The Eiffel Tower offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Embrace the Parisian lifestyle. Take your time, enjoy life's early meals, and soak up the city atmosphere. Paris is the city captivates the hearts of visitors with its timeless beauty, culture, richness, and romantic charm. By following this comprehensive travel guide, you can make the most of your trip and create unforgettable memories in the city of light. Use public transportation. The Paris metro and bus system are efficient and affordable ways to get around. Beyond its culture and culinary delights, Paris is also a shopper's dreams. The Champs-Élysées, one of the world's most famous avenues, is lined with luxury boutiques and high-end fashion houses. The city's numerous department stores such as Galerias and Le Bon offer a wide range of products from clothing and accessories to home goods and gourmet food. The 19th century witnessed the Industrial Revolution and the modernization of Paris with the construction of wide grand public buildings. The 20th century brought both triumphs and tragedies, including the World War and social upheavals. Despite these challenges, Paris has emerged as the symbol of resilience and a beacon of culture and creativity. Paris is the city that has captured the hearts of millions of people around the world. Its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture make it a truly unforgettable destination. Whether you are a first-time visitor or a seasonal traveler, Paris has something to offer everyone. Paris is a popular tourist destination, so be prepared for crowds, especially during peak seasons. Parisian lifestyle. Take your time and enjoy of this beautiful city. Macarons, simple. These delicate almond-based pastries from renowned patisseries like La Durie. Paris is a food lover's paradise, offering a diverse range of culinary experience. Here are some must-try dishes and dining experience. Cheese platter, a delightful selection of French cheeses, perfect for an afternoon snack or pre-dinner. Paris is a city that inspires and captivates, offering a truly unforgettable experience for visitors from all over the world. Whether you are exploring its historic landmarks, indulging in its culinary delights, or simply from the historic street of the Latin Quarter to the chic boutiques of the Champs-Élysées, Paris offers a unique blend of old world charm and modern elegance. The Parisian cafe culture is an integral part of the city charm, with outdoor terraces providing the perfect setting for people watching and enjoying a nice early coffee or glass of wine. The city numerous parks and gardens including the Tuileries Garden and the Luxembourg Garden. Luxembourg Garden provide a tranquil escapes from the bustling urban environment. ARCD Triomphe, a monumental arch commemorating French military victories located at the end of the Champs-Élysées. The Paris city iconic landmarks such as Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum draw millions of visitors each year. The city charming and neighborhood world-class and vibrant fashion scenes create a truly unforgettable experience.